Hi friends, for our math journal center today, we're going to do our bear that says, let's count how many. We're going to look at our numbers. I have 6, 8, 9, 10, 7. So the numbers are kind of all over the place. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 6, 8, 9, 10, 7. That's funny. That's out of order, huh, friends? We're going to look at the top, and remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Then, my friends, you're going to cut out the strip of honey pots. Remember, bears like honey, so we're going to cut out that honey pot. I'm going to cut out my strip. And I'm going to count the first honey pot. Now, remember our strategy that we learned to cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 honey pots. I'm going to cut out my first one of 9. And I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, and I'm going to glue my first honey pot group on the 9. There's 9 honey pots. You're going to count the rest and glue it by the correct number. When you are all done, please remember to glue this on the next page in your math journal. Okay, friends, I will see you back soon.